how long did it take you to make your first dollar, or should I say first penny, from YouTube?
How much money I make? I make around $30,000.
What has been your best month in earnings from YouTube?
Nothing too crazy. I think like 40,000.
I've always wondered how much money YouTube creators and millionaires make on this platform. I was shocked to find out how much these creators made simply based on the following, because the following doesn't actually mean anything in terms of revenue. But before I get into that, I'm going to inform you a little bit about AdSense. See, YouTube doesn't actually pay its users to make videos. Advertisers pay YouTube, and in return, they get their items shown on popular videos. Jordan Woods is one of my favorite YouTubers and top inspirations on the platform. His channel includes a lot of different content, but is mainly surrounded around making money. With doing some calculations, we found out that his CPM is around $14. So within the last month, he's made at least $15,000 with only AdSense. His total for the year clocked in at over $180,000, which is insane. These are mind-blowing numbers for simply just uploading a YouTube video. Another YouTuber who is simply killing the industry is Destroying. A while back, D actually sent his monthly YouTube paycheck to his mother's house, and his mother saw how much it was, and it was over $192,000 made in 1 month.
My first time, even my parents really realized how much money I was making. For some reason, I think I was switching management or something. So my YouTube checks, instead of being direct deposited into my account, I got mailed a paper check to my mom's house. So she opens up an envelope and she's like, "What is this?" I'm like, "Wait, what? Send me a pic." And it's a picture of a check for 192 grand. I was like,
of course, he has to pay his team the money that it costs to make videos, but in a month, $192,000 is insane. There's so many people who are saying that these niches are too saturated and that there's no point in starting a YouTube channel now because all the views are taken up by certain people. But I promise you, this is just an effort to keep more views to themselves. But the most interesting salary out of all the YouTubers to me is Ryan Trahan. This guy raised over $1.4 million just for charity alone over his Penny series. He's brought in a total of 2.6 billion views on his YouTube channel. Not to mention that Trahan is extremely good at creating evergreen content, which are videos that people can surface back to years and years after they've been published.
Why do you think at that scale people are reacting to your content? Like 20 million people are reacting to your content like that. Like, what do you think are the ingredients that allow it to reach that many people?
I think that creating restoration in people's lives rather than essentially trying to get views to make profit. And there's exploitative work and there's redemptive work. And I feel like YouTube inherently is exploitative.
Yeah.
Like retention, you can exploit that. You can exploit people's tendencies to stay if you do this and that. Or you can make the storyline something that is literally actively energizing them and making them think about what their perspectives are and adding to their lives. And so it's crazy how you can have the same outcome with the two. I think that that's what it is.
Some people just don't enjoy working a 9 to 5. I have no experience in that, but someone who aspires to be a YouTuber in one way or another, it's very obvious that you're capable of doing it. It's gonna take a lot of work. The editing takes extremely long time, but if it's a passion, it'll be worth it. You just have to work on belief, because once you have that, there's nothing else that's gonna stop you. If this video inspired you in any way, you should comment what goal you're trying to reach at the end of this year.